Nintendo highlights third-party strength at July Direct Showcase. Nintendo aired its July 2025 Partner Showcase today, focusing entirely on third-party games for the Switch and upcoming Switch 2. The 25-minute stream featured major titles like Elden Ring Tarnished Edition, Final Fantasy VII Remake, Hades 2, and Persona 3 Reloaded, highlighting the growing support from developers outside of Nintendo's in-house teams. While first-party titles were absent, the range and quality of content showed that Nintendo is actively building strong external partnerships ahead of its next-generation console launch. This showcase was especially important given past delays faced by third-party studios due to late delivery of Switch 2 development kits. With today's reveals, developers seem more confident in the platform's potential. Publishers such as Capcom and Ubisoft were notably present. The event reassured fans and investors that the Switch 2 will arrive with a diverse and ambitious game library, not just the familiar faces of Mario and Zelda. Although Metroid Prime 4 Beyond and Kirby Air Raiders were missing, fans expect a future first-party update. Nintendo's focus suggests a strategy aimed at deeper industry collaboration. While Sony and Microsoft continue to compete on hardware power, Nintendo appears to be positioning itself through accessibility, variety, and strong third-party support. If this momentum continues, the Switch 2 could launch into a broader and more competitive space, supported by creative partnerships across the gaming world.